How to change phone number on iPad. Now, your current interface right now, or what I'm showing you on my screen right now, is actually from iPhone. But don't worry, the actual process is going to be the same. So first is go into your iPad settings. Now in here, just simply scroll all the way down to the bottom part of these options and then go to apps. Now from apps, scroll down once again till you find the letter P field. Now under letter P field, just simply choose on phone and then choose on the option here that says my number. Now you will have an option here to change the existing number or to add a new number. If you just wanted to change it, erase everything from here and change the designated or the preferred number that you want. This is changing the phone number directly from your iPad. However, if you would like to change the physical SIM on your iPad, then you need to remove it, detach it from the phone, and attach a new SIM. Hit on save at the top right, and you're done. And that is how you change phone number on iPad.